Welcome to Cafe Splendid in Jelsa. It's the opening day of the 2013 season. It's another miserable day in Dalmatia. I can't stand this weather much longer, but we have to soldier on. Professor Frank Don Dobokovic, Gardener of the Hvar Dialect, is back. He's now an internet legend with 12,000 views on his first legendary Dalmatian grunt. And we're joined by Diana Moscatello, who is one of the leading tour guides on the island, absolutely outstanding local knowledge and a linguistic specialist in her own right. And today we're talking about love. And Diana's going to do some standard Croatian, and Frankie's going to do his usual stuff. So, Diana, we'll start with you. How do you say "I'm excited" when I'm in love?
Uzbuđena sam kad sam zaljubljena.
Professor.
Jo sam na šotu kad se ludim.
A boy should never kiss a girl on her lips.
Momak ne smije nikad poljubiti djevojku u usta.
Ditvo ne smije bušiti divnu pešnje.
Put your arm around my shoulder.
Zagrli me.
Buta veslo.
I'm in love, but things aren't going as well as they should.
Zaljubljena sam, ali ne ide mi sve kako bi trebalo.
Jo se ludina, ali ne gre mi sve alavija.
And a phrase finally that the professor has used many times with many women all over the world. I'm crazy about you.
Luda sam za tobom.
In fišo sam ute.
Well, thank you very much indeed, and we'll be back soon with a team from Dubrovnik.